Hello friends, welcome to UR Lighting. In the previous video, we know how to use the white color in our lamps. In this video, we will know how to use the deep color. Yeah, except the white color, this is the light color. We have another part, the deep color. So, do you know which series of the lamps use deep color most? Check. Yeah, I know you must be guess right. Yeah, in check light, why we choose the deep color? Yeah, because the deep color could help us to embrace the lamp body. So you can see the check light usually has gray, brown, coffee, gold. Oh, I know it's the deep color. And let your check light outstanding in the appearance. Usually the check light used in buildings or in shop to focusing on the goods, so they must be beautiful both. And also we will told you in the next video about how to choose a suitable check light in a factory with. Do you interested in? Okay, leave your words in content and remember follow UR Lighting to get the latest news, and very happy to get your support. See you next time. I'm Konstantin.